Hey everybody, I want to talk to you a little bit about trading psychology and why it's so important not to chase. All right, anytime you chase, there's a risk and a high risk that you're going to be buying near the highs versus the lows. So for instance, take a look at how many people, and if you look at the majority of people with Bitcoin in 2021, they were buying above 60,000. Obviously very close to the end of the run. And again, think about it like this. When was the hype greatest? It was when it was topping. So before you get in any trade, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whether it's commodities, what you really should be looking for is something that is out of favor. And the thought process is this, right? If you have just a market with 10 people involved, so we're going to take a very basic look at this. And if you have 10 people involved, when no one likes it, none of the 10 are involved. As people start to like it, 1 buys, 2 buys, 3 buys, 4 buys. Hype is beginning to build. By the end of the course, by the end of the hype, the last 9th and 10th person are buying that equity or crypto. And that's when the hype is the biggest. Now ask yourself this, who is left to buy? When you coax everyone in, when the media is screaming from the top of their lungs about it, when Twitter is just blasting about how something is going to continue to go up another $50,000, $100,000, you have to ask yourself at that point, where is the demand coming from? Because everyone is in. So now you're in an issue where all of a sudden, all it takes is one person to sell, and then all of a sudden price downticks, and someone else sees that and they start to get nervous and they take profits. And before you know it, price collapses like we've seen on Bitcoin. So again, think about it from that perspective. It's a simple market. It's either no one's in, that's when you need to be buying, or when it's just beginning to uptick, versus at the end when everyone is buying, and then again, there is no one left to buy. Price, again, this is supply and demand, basic economics. Price is not going to go higher if there's no more buyers and they're all in. Price has no place to go but down. But think about that, folks. Really important lesson here. Thank you.